All right, let's do some troubleshooting. A student was having an error in their spreadsheet and they sent me the spreadsheet. And so we're going to do some quick troubleshooting. What we have here is this # value. I used to call them pound signs. Now they call them hashtags. So that's an error of some type. And right here, in the corner, we have error in value. A value used in the formula is of the wrong data type. So the formula is looking for numbers. That's the type of data we're trying to find. So this means that some reason these numbers here are not the right data. A great way to troubleshoot any formula is to just double click on it. And what you're going to see happen is you're going to get this nifty color-coded process. And what we have here is C1 is here and C1 is blue and it's pointing to purchase price. Well, purchase price is, it's not a number, it's letters, it's words. It's a text string instead of a numeric string. And so what we can simply do just to make life easy is we can grab this right here and just drag it over. And the formula should update to D1. And we can do it with all of these right here. Oops. Here we go. Let's drag this one over. Drag this one over, and that should give us an answer. And while we're at it, yeah, that should be all we need. C5, yep. So that gives us a number. Don't know if it's the right number or not, but if the formula's right, the number's got to be right. And then we can just do the old drag them down, drag them over method. That did not work, which means there's something wrong with the formula. So we'll just double click the troubleshoot. And let's see, what is it doing? It's pointing to the 200. I don't see where the error is. Oh, I don't think there's an error. I think the issue here is that the salvage value is actually pretty high on this item. And I think we depreciated the item entirely in the first year. So the numbers appear to be accurate. A quick fix right here that I'd like to do is I'm going to move these numbers here over one column. And then I'm going to delete this column here, and that will let me drag over this way and drag down to get all the numbers. So there we go, a little bit of troubleshooting. I try to be very responsive to students, and if you've got a problem, sometimes the best thing to do is to just shoot me the spreadsheet and see if I can help you troubleshoot it. Everyone makes mistakes, and learning new things is always hard, so don't ever be intimidated by that, and never be afraid to ask for help.